Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to make the easiest banana cake. You need 4 ripe bananas, medium size, not that big. Just mush it with the fork. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. You can add unsalted or salted butter, doesn't matter. Add 1 egg. Mix it, not too much, just mix it all together. Add half cup of sugar, regular sugar, half cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark, either way. See, just mix it all together. Sift 1.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Sift it, see how? And add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift it all together, all at once. And just start folding. Don't mix, just fold. See how I'm doing? And add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is optional. If you like vanilla, add vanilla. Either way. See how I'm folding it? Until you see the flour is gone. Add the half a cup of chocolate, either dark or milk chocolate. Half a cup of walnut. And just fold it together. See how? Very easy. Bring your baking dish, spread some butter on it with a brush all over, and pour your butter in it. Make sure shake it so the air bubble get rid of the air bubble, and at the same time you even it. Wipe the sides from the splashes and just place it in the oven. Make sure the first 10 minutes set the oven 375. After that, bring the heat to 350 for 45 minutes or 1 hour, depend on your oven. After that, just check it when it's brown on top. Mine, I just took it from the oven. Look how it's brown on top. And I like to spread my homemade jelly to make it shiny. This is optional. If you want to do it, okay. If you don't, it's okay. Leave it the way it is. I want to show you how it looks from the inside, how fluffy. Mine is still hot. Look at it, very soft. You can have it with tea or coffee. It's delicious. I'm gonna try it and tell you the truth. That's delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, Subscribe and share with family and friends. Thank you.